Hi, welcome back to the channel, A Busy Retirement with me, Georgie. I don't know how many of you watched my video on how to make your mat non-slip, but you will notice that I deleted it. I ran into a problem. I was rushing to get all my laundry done. There was rain forecast for later in the afternoon, and I knew the mats were going to take longer to dry than normal because of the rubber backing. So I ran through, got all my laundry done, and what happened was I ended up the bathroom one, this all peeled away. And the front door one, this one also peeled away. Now, I can't blame the materials because I was supposed to do those on a gentle wash and I didn't. I put it through on a normal wash, so it was getting tumbled a lot more rigorously, for want of a better word. So what I'm going to do, I am going to have to ditch these because I just can't, I can't pull that apart. There's one good thing, you can see that the double-sided tape is strong. I cannot pull that apart, so I can't blame the materials. So what I'm going to do, I did have another roll that I bought. I'm going to do them again, and then I'm going to do them on a gentle wash, and I'm going to write myself a note and stick it on my washing machine. So when it comes to washing them, I'll do a gentle wash and see how they go. If that doesn't work, I am going to have to resort to sewing them on. Now, the front door mat, the little grey one, that'll be fine because that's quite thin. But these bath mats, they're quite thick, and I don't know how it will go with the thickness of the mat and then the thickness of this. I'll just grab, still in the laundry. Hang on a minute. Brought this one through for the back door. So by the time I've put that thickness with that thickness, I don't know if you can see how thick it is. If I put my hand underneath, you get a better idea how thick that is. I don't know if that'll go under the foot of my sewing machine. It might need, I won't need an industrial sewing machine, but I may have to see if I can find somebody that's got a semi-industrial sewing machine that can do it. And it's basically for my own safety, because I've got tiled floors, mats do slip, especially if your feet are wet, you've come in from the rain, and it doesn't take much to slide. So we'll see how we go. This is only a short video to get up today. I will be doing another one. It's going to be starting rain again probably within the next hour. Depending on how heavy it is, I might be able to still get out into the back patio and do some more work on that, because I've got some interesting stuff for those black cabinets, and that will be the next project I'm working on. Okay, so I won't do the word puzzle today. I'll see how I go, if I can get one ready for the weekend, and then we'll do the word puzzle on the weekend. Okay, so bye for now.